The case of Province of Maguindanao Del Norte versus Bureau of Local Government Finance, (Blgf), highlights the importance of legal authority in government transitions and the implications of accepting a new position while pursuing a legal claim. Let's examine the facts, the issue, and the Supreme Court's ruling. Republic Act No. 11550 divided Maguindanao into two provinces, Maguindanao del Norte and Maguindanao del Sur, following a plebiscite on September 17, 2022. After the plebiscite, Fatima Ainee Sinsuat, who was the elected vice governor of the undivided Maguindanao, assumed office as acting governor of Maguindanao del Norte, as provided by the law. In December 2022, Sinsuat requested the Blgf to designate Battery M. Alonzo as provincial treasurer. However, the Blgf sought clarification from its central office, questioning whether Sinsuat had the legal authority to recommend appointments. In April 2023, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. appointed Abdulrauf Abdul Makakua as OIC governor and Sinsuat as vice governor. Makakua took his oath as governor, and a court order was issued compelling the Blgf to process the appointment of Alonzo as provincial treasurer. Despite this, Sinsuat filed a petition for mandamus, arguing that the Blgf must process the appointment. The Blgf countered, stating that Sinsuat's acceptance of the vice governorship meant she had abandoned her claim to the governorship, making her petition moot. Did Sinsuat abandon her claim to the governorship of Maguindanao del Norte by accepting the vice governorship? And was her petition for mandamus moot? The Supreme Court ruled against Sinsuat, granting the motions of the Office of the Solicitor General, OSG, and the Ministry of the Interior and Local Government, MILG. The court reversed its earlier decision, holding that Sinsuat's acceptance of the vice governorship constituted abandonment of her claim to the governorship. This rendered her petition for mandamus moot, as she no longer had the authority to recommend a provincial treasurer. The previously issued writ of preliminary mandatory injunction was dissolved, and the petition for mandamus was dismissed. The court also denied Sinsuat's motion for indirect contempt and ordered her to explain why she should not be cited for contempt for failing to disclose her acceptance of the vice governorship. This case highlights the legal consequences of assuming a new position while contesting a previous claim. It reinforces the principle that accepting a new role may signify abandonment of a legal dispute, impacting one's standing in court.